this is Grisha from Marker plugin. In today's video, I will show how to use brand new Figma feature Progressive Blur in new email design in Figma. Let's create a blank email template using Marker plugin in Figma and add some blocks to our email template. We're going to use simple header section, CTA, grid of columns for our design with header, and use footer from ready-made components from the plugin. Here is our basic email structure. Let's add Progressive Blur to cart with team members. Here is a container for our cart. It's a simple frame with a border radius, an image, button, and text. Cart has border radius, and do not forget to set clip content for the container cart. With this option, if you put your image inside the cart, image will have the same border radius as your part container. To add a Progressive Blur, simply select an image, go to Effects, select a layer blur, then add progressive option, adjust it as you use gradients, and so let's add a button to the bottom, and buttons should be placed inside our container, and text over the button too. As a next step, let's add auto layout to our email template. To export is HTML email template with Marker plugin. This is how our template looks in mailboxes. It works with mobile version and dark mode by design. Link to the plugin and file will be in the description.